So in year one, I would like to say locking your hair is a journey, and it's a little different for everybody. Some people hair lock faster than others. It's not going to happen overnight. So be patient, and I'll make a video talking more about locks. But I have enjoyed year one. My go-to product, Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, Wild Growth Hair Oil, and I love me some extra virgin olive oil. So here I'm just sharing a few pics that I took for month 12, year one. And for month 12, I did not retwist. I only washed my hair and oiled my scalp. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you want to purchase some merch, it is in the description box. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Like, share, leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.